Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix unable to verify app Scarlet and internet connection is required to distribution such as man etc. If you have facing this error, so you have need watch this video and solve your problem within 2 minutes. Firstly, go back your home screen. After that, go back your home screen and enter into the mobile settings. Enter into the mobile settings and tap on your Wi-Fi and check if your Wi-Fi connection is properly worked or not. If your Wi-Fi connection is not properly worked, so just connect your cellular data and fix your problems. If you have still facing this problem, so just back one step. After the back one step, here you see FaceTime, so just tap on it. FaceTime. You see scroll down and here you see screen timer, so just tap on it. Screen timer and scroll down, here you see content and privacy restrictions, so just tap on it and tap on iPhone storage, iTunes and App Store purchase and installing apps, so just tap on it and allow this option always. Back one step, here you see required password, always require you have selected but always don't require, so just select this option always on your device. So back one step and here you see again back and back your main screen, and scroll down, here you see journal, so just tap on it and tap on software update and check it your iPhone update or not update. If your iPhone is not updated, so just firstly update your iPhone software. Back and here you see iPhone storage, so just tap on it and check it your iPhone storage is enough or not for download your app and verify your application. Back one step and you see data tab, so just tap on it and correct your data type and set automatically, select this option automatically set. Back and click on VPN and device management and check it your iPhone device is connected off any VPN. So just back in it and you are problem to 100% solved. If my video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel for other more informative videos. Thanks for watching for my